Nice and lovely, guys. So basically, I'm gonna make a simple little drink, which is gonna be fantastic and nice. All right. First of all, half a cucumber. And a nice, lovely piece of a ginger. All right. Make sure you use a chunky piece of ginger. That's so you can get the flavor of the ginger inside of it. Now, I have half of a lemon, which I'm already removed the skin. So we're just gonna cut it up and also put it straight inside of it. Nice one. So we're gonna just put roughly about a cup of water to free up the blender. So what we're going to do is blend it. Lovely. All right. We don't need to stress it too much. Yeah, I know you just say, Ricardo, the fiber is the best part. Yes, but sometimes too much of the fiber doesn't good for you guys. You have to know that. That's why it's very good for you to do research. All right. Sometimes too much of the fiber does not good. So when you do your research, you can know where you are. All right. Sometimes it is good for you to drink it, and another time just try not to drink it. So basically, all this kind of drink now, instead of either go for a fizzy juice, you just drink this. You know what I mean? Because this is just really healthy and good for you. Look at that. It's just rich, lovely, and nice and fantastic. You don't need to stress yourself and wondering, oh my gosh, and if this is going to be work for me or anything. It's just a very good drink to detox your body. And not only that, 95% of the ingredients is right there. The other 5% was just fiber. Alright, so enjoy the recipe and subscribe. Leave your comments in the description box. Please tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. We have a lot more recipes, a lot more ideas, and a lot more things will be coming from Chef Ricardo team. So please don't forget to subscribe. It's very important, guys. Thank you for your time, and thank you for watching my YouTube channel. And I will